FPS drops in League of Legends disrupt gameplay and often stem from hardware limitations, software settings, or network issues. These drops can be sudden during teamfights or consistent throughout the game. A stable frame rate of 60 or more FPS is ideal for smooth gameplay. Identify the cause. Is it sudden drops during teamfights, consistent low FPS, or lag spikes? Use tools like the NVIDIA Overlay or MSI Afterburner to monitor GPU and CPU usage during gameplay. High CPU usage near 100% or GPU bottlenecks with low or inconsistent usage can indicate the problem. Recent game patches, such as patch 15.22, have included engine tweaks to reduce CPU overhead, but these are only minor improvements that are not a total solution to the issue. Now that you've identified the problem, here are practical solutions. First, optimize in-game settings. Lower resolution, disable shadows and anti-aliasing, and cap your FPS. Consider using DirectX 11 for older GPUs or Vulkan for AMD. Update your graphics drivers to the newest versions. NVIDIA's GeForce Experience or AMD's Radeon settings can assist. For latency, prioritize a wired Ethernet connection over Wi-Fi, close background downloads, and use the Hextech repair tool to flush DNS and cache. If high ping persists, especially in regions like Southeast Asia, consider using a VPN. Lastly, ensure you have at least 16 gigabytes of RAM and use an SSD for faster loading times and better overall performance.